大家好，欢迎来到跟陈老师学汉语。In this video, I'll show you how to write every Chinese characters in the right stroke order. First, open your web browser, then open Google search. Type 查字典 CHAZIDIAN and then press enter. Usually, the first website is the one we need. You can also just type the website link directly. It is shown here. Okay, then click the link. This is an online Chinese dictionary, but it also shows how a character is written. Let's type 你, you here, and then click the red button. And you can find the character 你 is here. It shows you how the character is written in the square. And below, it shows you the stroke orders as well. If you scroll down a little bit, we can also find both the Chinese explanation and English explanation of the character 你. Okay, pretty easy, right? You can search any Chinese characters on this website, just like what I did previously. I hope it would help you with your Chinese writings. I'll put the link of this website in the descriptions down below so you can check it. That's all for this video. 谢谢，再见. If you like my video, please do give me a thumbs up and subscribe the channel.